Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Klarna to your Shopify website to online store owners. So in order to add Klarna to your Shopify website, you need to go to your Shopify dashboard and then click on settings, and here you need to go to payments, and here you will see a bunch of different options. You need to click on add payment methods, and here you need to search for Klarna, and here you will see Klarna. Click on it, and after that you need to click on activate, and now you need to click on connect and then log into your Klarna account, and your Klarna will be activated to your Shopify website. If you don't find Klarna in supported payment methods, then you need to go to payment providers and then choose the provider that supports Klarna. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.